Welcome to the handlebar sleeve change tutorial. To get started, you'll need 6mm Allen wrench, Phillips head screwdriver, Allen wrench, new handlebar sleeve. We recommend first removing the touchscreen from your handlebars. Power down the touchscreen and remove the matrix cords. Using a 6mm Allen wrench, loosen the screw that holds the monitor arm onto the handlebar. Place the touchscreen on a soft surface. Before proceeding, note the height setting so that you can return to it later. Loosen the L handle on the front of the handlebar post and push the handlebars all the way down. Remove the screw at the bottom of the handlebar post using a Phillips head screwdriver. Now remove the handlebars from the handlebar post. This can be difficult. Try putting one foot on the stabilizer and wiggling the handlebars as you pull up. Using a small Allen wrench, push the pin inside the sleeve. This will free the sleeve from the head tube. Remove it. Slide the new sleeve into the head tube. It will snap into place. Slide the handlebars back into the sleeve. Reinsert the screw at the bottom of the post. Set the handlebars to your desired height and tighten the L handle. Return the touchscreen to the handlebars and tighten the bolt that holds the monitor mount in place.